You know what's wild? The loudest ones online often haven't built a thing worth hearing. Alex Hormozy once said, "Build so quietly that success makes the noise." That means, stop performing, start producing. Stop posting your plans, start executing them. Your results will echo louder than any caption ever could. While they chase likes, you build leverage. While they seek attention, you're stacking assets. So when your time comes, the world won't need an announcement, it'll already feel your success. Join the community of silent builders. The ones crafting freedom behind the screen, until the world can't ignore the noise.